Do you know how much money you have to pay for this type of cabinets and how much money you can save? Well, I want to show you right now. I'm driving towards Charlotte, North Carolina, and I'm going to go to a store called Habitat for Humanity in Wendover. This is a store where I'm going to show you a special secret that a lot of people that flip houses don't want to share. And my job is to share with you as much as possible so you can have the same benefit that a lot of us have for free. That's because in my channel I want to teach you all these things so you have all the benefits and you can learn how to grow your own business and save a ton of money. So this truck that is here is about $200 a day after you pay the gasoline, the rental, and all the stuff, and it's pretty big, so you can actually charge actually load the car with all one shot of a cabinetry that you're going to take to your job site or your house. So it's going to be really convenient for you to rent this car, make sure that you bring it to your property, make sure that you do it in one shot, and you bring actually people with you. In this case, my two workers are helping me, and I want to show you right now what is it that I'm talking about. So first of all, I want to go there with my workers and start packing things up. Let me show you. So this is sets of the cabinets that are there. When you call Restore, they actually come and dismount your cabinets that you're donating, that they're going to give you a tax credit for it. And what you do is that because they take it down by pieces carefully, they bring it all the way to the store, and then you can actually buy it from them inexpensively. I want to show you in a moment how much I pay. These boards that are here and all the clamps is to actually support all the stones, because yes, it comes with the granite or the marble or whatever material was made with. So it's really good, and you will see, you will be surprised in a moment. So start packing all your things up. See, this is the U-Haul truck. It cost me about $110 plus the gasoline, and I put a little insurance on it, so it's less than $200. And look at the cabinets over here and see how much I paid. You see, nothing, just a little bit. I paid it. Obviously, I bought a few more things, like another set that you're gonna see in a moment. But look, all these cabinets plus the one that I already took only cost that, less than $30,000 for a lot of things. So let me show you something important. Here are the stones, and the most fragile pieces of the stones are the edges over here around the sinks. And this kitchen came with two sinks, one to, I guess, wash the dishes, and the other one to wash your vegetables and stuff like that. So you're gonna put all these supports. These are 1x4s, and you're gonna put them on both sides and use a ton of clamps. So we're gonna put like 4 clamps on each end, and one on the top, one on the bottom, and that way you can save a ton of headaches, because now you're gonna support that. If you lift this up without the supports, it's gonna break. So you gotta be really, really careful. And you see, those sinks that are there cost hundreds of dollars, and you get it also with your cabinet set. Not only that, but I got an oven and I got a dishwasher with it. So it's an amazing thing. So you get a couple of clamps, make sure you clamp everything well, make sure that you are doing all this with more than 2 people, because you don't want to break your back when you're doing this type of work. So we're going to bring the other 2 pieces that we have there. Actually, it's just one more piece that's going to be there, and that's it. So this is the way you transfer this particular type of stone, and you have your own cabinets. The most important thing again is avoid that friction that is going to be between the cabinets. Put some drop cloths in the middle and put a lot of straps around. Make sure that nothing will move. The stones of the cabinets have to be secure. That is an amazing tip, and I hope you like it. All right, this is it. Now you can see the amount of cabinetry that we bought. A ton of it for about $2,800. So it's not much actually, or maybe less. And I forgot to tell you that we also got a sink cabinet. This is like a 49-inch with a stone counter, his own sink and everything for a fraction of the price. So it's really good to come to a Habitat for Humanity to buy all this cabinetry. Not only will benefit you, but benefit a lot of families that are in need, because they will build houses for people that has not the same luck that other like us, right? So don't forget to subscribe to my channel as Hugo Correa. Go to Facebook. I'm in Facebook as Hugo Correa DIY, and in Instagram as Hugo F Correa DIY. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.